Can you believe it? We're about 6 weeks out for some of those first schools planned to go back to school. Administrators are really working overtime right now, figuring out all of the details and how to make it happen. There's so many questions parents are asking about when to go back, what safety precautions are going to be taking place, what happens if families don't agree with the rules set by the schools. And joining me now is Donna Petrates, the executive director for the Indiana chapter of the National School Public Relations Associations. And Donna, thanks for joining us. I know you you help a lot of schools and you're getting bombarded too with a lot of questions. I'm happy living in Hendricks County that I'm getting lots of emails about the plan. Let's start with, what do you feel like is the biggest question right now as far as we start to try to get back to school?
I think the biggest question and concern for parents is, will my child be safe? And that is always the school's number one priority, is keeping those children safe and their staff as well, and by extension, their families. So every kind of precaution is being looked at and measured and weighed against what healthcare professionals are advising right now.
August 5th is when our particular school is going back. They've made that commitment right now. I know a lot of other schools are right now trying to decide the date. How is that going to happen? What's it going to look like? What's lunch going to look like? I know parents are asking you guys so many questions, and I know it's got to be really a team effort. And is that one of the messages that you want to get out today?
Absolutely. It is a team effort. It's going to be a partnership between parents and schools in order to get kids back in the building. You know, virtual education is good when it's necessary, but nothing beats the caring and compassion and nurturing and creativity of a teacher in a classroom. And so those efforts are being made. I don't know what lunch is going to look like. We don't have all the answers right now, so we are asking parents for patience. I know that social distancing is very important. Masks have been a big concern for parents. Will my child have to wear them? So many contingencies that we don't have all the answers for right now, but we're getting the answers, and we will slowly, as quickly as possible, push that information out so that parents can be assured their kids will be safe.
Yeah, we have about a minute left, and I know that, everybody has an opinion, and boy, they're so wide. Do you have many people that are saying, I think it's too soon. Kids should not be back in the classroom, and I'm now going to keep my child at home?
We do have that, but I really think that's in the minority from what I'm seeing and hearing from my colleagues across the state. I think more so we're hearing that parents are anxious to get their kids back to the classroom and tired of being teachers at home.
Yeah, and just again, wanting to make sure it's done safely. I know that we'll be having a lot more discussions as we get closer to that date. Is there a good place for parents to go here in the last 15 seconds to kind of tap into some of the information that they're so hungry for?
Well, I think their best resource is always the school district website. And the Department of Ed has been clear about providing archival information and an FAQ and those kinds of things. So as quickly as we have information, we get it posted there. Speculation and rumor, social media is both a blessing and a curse, but I think your most consistent and reliable source of information is district website.
All right, Donna, we'll be having these conversations. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Absolutely. Good to see you, Angie.
Absolutely. Right?